I am overwhelmed with what I found. Oh my god. Really look. So beautiful. Loads of devil's toenail. Look. A lot of devil's toenail. It's like a flint. I don't know what's this one. Curious. Okay, look. It's so beautiful. What's this? Something special. I don't know. Different kind of clump. Oh, just need to be cleaned. You see, devil's toenail. OMG. A lot. Oh my god. I'm so happy.